Wlox First Alert Weather with meteorologist Wesley Williams.
All right, starting things off with a beautiful view this Friday morning over the Mississippi Gulf Coast. If only it could stay that way all weekend long, but we got some changes coming our way. So I suggest that you go ahead and download our Wlox First Alert Weather app. That way you can get the forecast at your own leisure instead of me kind of throwing it out at you here over the next couple of minutes at a rapid fire. Then you can take a look at the hourly forecast. You can see those temperatures getting up into the mid 70s, maybe even upper 70s by this afternoon. The rain chance for Friday going to be on the slim side at 20%. But there's going to be wetter times this weekend. Most of this weekend's thunderstorms are expected to occur during the overnight hours. Storm damage will be possible, but not likely for South Mississippi. Here's a look at the Saturday and Saturday night severe weather risk map. For us in South Mississippi, the timing will mainly be after 10 p.m. Saturday through 7 a.m. Sunday, where these threats will exist. 1 or 2 tornadoes, hail the size of a quarter or larger, winds up to 60 miles per hour, or flooding rains up to 3 inches of rainfall. Again, we are in the yellow zone, so that is the slight risk category or the level 2 risk. Notice the scale goes all the way up to level 5. Nobody has a level 5, but this red area here is a level 4 moderate severe weather risk. That includes Shreveport, Louisiana, and Vicksburg, Mississippi, and areas just west of Jackson. So pretty significant and rare for the Storm Prediction Center to ever issue a level 4 risk area. There's going to be some scary severe weather video that you are going to see and hear in national coverage coming from that area over the next few days, as they are probably going to experience a severe weather outbreak in North Louisiana. But try not to get too worked up over that. Try to set your expectations and keep a clear mind and a clear understanding that their risk is not our risk. We are only at a level 2 risk, which is a much lower threat level. So again, for our specific area, every specific location in South Mississippi sharing that same level 2 risk, no matter if you're Poplarville, Pascagoula, Waveland, or Lucedale, everybody's the same here. And again, we will be watching for those threats during the overnight hours. Important to remember, overnight storms are different from daytime storms. These are not the kind of storms that are going to bring cancellations of your planned events and activities. Instead, these are going to be the kinds of storms that you will want to make sure that you have multiple ways to receive alerts while you're in bed asleep Saturday night, so that if a tornado warning is issued or a severe thunderstorm warning is issued during this time frame, 10 p.m. Saturday, you will want to make sure that you are woken up, and so that you can get to safety as these heavy showers and thunderstorms roll through the area during those overnight hours. They will move out of the area by Sunday afternoon, and we're looking at sunshine on Sunday afternoon, so it should be a beautiful beach afternoon on Sunday, though the sand's going to be a little wet. After the Sunday morning, possible alert thunderstorms there, so we'll be keeping an eye out for the possibility of alerts in our area this weekend, but just remember, they are mainly expected during the overnight hours.